Hey guys and girls, back in the shop tonight doing another Home Depot Siege review. Tonight we're going to be reviewing the Milwaukee baseball caps. They're pretty unique. I've got some helpers that are going to help me. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so what I want to do first in this video is I want to cover some of the features of these Milwaukee baseball caps. Just so you know, these are a 60-40 cotton blend. They have a 3.5-inch crown depth. This particular hat comes with the curved bill, so it kind of blocks out the sunlight when you're outside. It does also have you can see on this red one here, it has the Milwaukee logo on the back. They do come in different colors. I have the red and gray one here today, but they also come in black. They come in variable sizes from, small to extra large. These do have the FlexFit band in them, so I really like these. So these are what is considered a fitted cap. So depending on what size cap you normally wear, like I said, you'd need to pick the correct size, either like small, medium, large, or extra large. So what I want to do now is I'm going to go outside the shop and introduce you to my helpers so that you can see. I have them modeling these caps and you can see how they look. Okay, I'm back with you tonight, guys and girls. I have two helpers with me today, Caitlin and Evelyn, and they are modeling our Milwaukee hats tonight. Girls, what do y'all think about the Milwaukee hats?
We love these hats. They fit girls and boys. We want to thank Home Depot and Milwaukee for these cool hats. If you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up.